Hi, this is Kevin at Metl-Span. I'm going to take you on a journey through the history of the building envelope and prove that it's time to listen to technology and leave the current pro quo behind. Since man has evolved from daily grooming to razor burn and split ends, we've been searching for protection from the elements that surround us. From the earliest evidence, man has observed that the orientation of the sun in time of day may be more than just a form of communication from our green friends above. We soon ran into the challenge of high labor demand and the need to meet the owner's construction deadline when it was more than just a metaphor. 9 times out of 10, aesthetics has been what's driven us to please the gods within, but technology has been the Achilles heel, no matter what effects it may have on those inside. As nature has proven, a building will always be susceptible to the regional characteristics, and the building envelope will be the last barrier to protect us from being thrown to the lions. When faced with a dilemma, cost has always been the first solution and often leans toward an undesirable outcome, and accepting the most economic insulation is the only option left. Solid mass is gone, and smelted steel is here. Nature comes right in, with barriers not so near. New envelopes take form, and with it comes a doubt, water, air, and vapor leaking in a wall similar to a spout. Code is now walking up the stairs, making safety and comfort the authority of the future. And the chemists put their heads together to fill the gaps when organic insulation was too humid to meet the studs face to face. As the cities grew across the land, the rental space grew vertical, and the walls that stretched thin into the sky let the view of the clouds through the glass float in. The use of cellulose, fiber, mineral, poly, this and that has been accepted when placed inside of the building for the last century. Why wait for it to enter the building before you create a barrier? After centuries of development, from fir to stone to steel and infill insulation, we've come to a very simple question. Would you ever place the envelope in the pages of a letter before you mailed it? Then why would you place the building envelope inside the walls of a building to protect those inside? Placing the insulation on the outside of the building structure is the solution. Welcome to the now, when the insulated metal panel surrounds you with evolution. The insulated metal panel is the evolution of construction.